update. And I got most of the stuff, so, you know, I'm going to check out the other updates. So, yeah, I already checked out most of the stuff, the cosmetics, but not... And I heard the volcano's back. The volcano's back. The volcano's back. Yes, I'm by myself, nobody here. Yeah, I already had climbed these. So, it's happy birthday, Gorilla Tag, to Lemming, too, to make this game perfect as hell. And, yeah, this is the cosmetics. Yeah, you free to get on, hop on right now, because look at this bad boys. Look at these bad boys. And yes, there's free ones, right? There's one right there. What in the, what is that? What is this? What is this? My God, no. What the? Ew! Ew! No. That's disgusting. Ew, that's disgusting. Okay. The lava pack. Oh, look. The lava pack. Oh, he's next to me. Okay. Yeah, that's mostly it. I'm just gonna make a shirt like that and everything. Oh, yes, I want to show you the volcano, too. Look at the volcano, too. The volcano is back. Look, the big volcano is back. The little volcano is back. Look at everyone. Freaking volcano's back. Hop on right now into Gorilla Tag. Right now, go. There's two Doug the Bugs. Now they're kissing. Now they're... Hey, yo! Anyways, that's the most of it. And yeah, bye.